Let's talk about how to manage conversation with abandonment rules and nudge. First, navigate to the AI Hub and select AI Employees from the menu. This is where you'll manage all your AI employees. You can create a new AI employee by clicking on the right top corner here. We will demonstrate using one of my existing AI employees, Mr. Six. Simply click View Published Version on the top right corner, and you'll see the main studio interface. Abandonment rules help manage situations where there's a gap between the AI's last message and customer responses. In this event, we see that Mr. Six asked an open-ended question, and therefore they decided not to proceed to close or hand over the conversation. For this, we want to set up abandonment rules, where we actually specify what to do after a specific timeout. In this specific scenario, we'll set it to wait up to 3 hours before considering the conversation abandoned, and then we can process that information in the flow at a later stage. We also have the option to set email inactivity timeout. Click on this option to differentiate the timeout duration for chat conversations versus email conversations, because it might take longer for a customer to respond to an email than a chat conversation. We also have the option to create a nudge, enabling the AI to push the conversation if no response is received. Let's enable a nudge for Mr. Six, and we'll set the nudge timing to just 5 seconds for this demo. We can give some additional instructions by typing them in the nudge message field. Here, we will instruct Mr. Six to recommend an amusement park to visit if he doesn't receive a response from the customer. Click Save Draft again before we continue. Now let's test it. I can actually just replay the conversation. It'll take my latest message against the updated prompt and updated settings of my AI employee. Watch what happens. We can see the information provided is still the same, but look, all of a sudden Mr. Six is already typing. Here we can see that the nudge reminder has been triggered. The message that appears is a friendly reminder to the customer, suggesting they visit Six Flags Magic Mountain while offering assistance with their planning. This type of proactive, engaging message helps keep the conversation going. And that's it. You can always customize both the nudge message and its timing to suit your needs.